Have you ever wondered how it would feel to live a life completely self-reliant, in harmony with nature? Today, we're peeling back the curtain on our serene off-grid homestead, a place where tranquility and sustainability walk hand in hand. Imagine waking up to the sound of rustling leaves, the sight of dew-kissed plants, the smell of fresh earth, and the knowledge that you're living in sync with the rhythm of nature. Dive into the world of sustainable living as we take you on a journey through our off-grid oasis. Harnessing the power of nature isn't as daunting as it sounds. Here on our homestead, we've embraced renewable energy in its many forms, and it's been a game changer for our off-grid lifestyle. Let's start with solar power. We've installed solar panels that capture the energy of the sun, transforming it into electricity for our home. From powering our devices to running our kitchen appliances, solar energy has proven to be a reliable and cost-effective solution. And the best part? It's infinitely renewable, meaning we're not depleting any resources to keep our lights on. But we don't stop at solar. We've also harnessed the power of the wind. Wind turbines are a fantastic addition to any renewable energy setup, especially in areas where the wind is a constant companion. These towering structures capture the wind, converting it into energy that can be used to power our home. Combining these two renewable energy sources, we've created a system that provides us with a steady power supply, regardless of the weather. On sunny days, our solar panels take the lead. When the wind picks up, our turbines kick in. This way, we're never left in the dark. Now, you might be wondering about the benefits of such a setup. Well, aside from the obvious cost savings, there's the peace of mind that comes with knowing we're living in harmony with nature. We're not contributing to the pollution caused by burning fossil fuels, nor are we depleting the Earth's resources. Instead, we're utilizing the endless energy supplied by the sun and the wind, reducing our carbon footprint and paving the way for a sustainable future. By embracing renewable energy, we take a step towards a greener, cleaner world. Every day as the sun rises and the wind stirs, we're reminded of the immense power of nature and the potential it holds for a sustainable off-grid lifestyle. It's not just about living off the land, it's about living with the land, working in harmony with nature to create a home that's self-sufficient, eco-friendly, and utterly serene. Our food doesn't come from the grocery store. It comes from the soil beneath our feet. This simple truth is the linchpin of our approach to sustainable living. We believe in nurturing nature, in tending to the earth that feeds us, and in the power of organic gardening and permaculture. Organic gardening is more than just a method. It's a mindset. It's about working with nature, not against it. It's about recognizing the intricate connections between all elements of the ecosystem, from the tiny microorganisms in the soil to the birds in the sky. It's about using natural methods to keep pests in check, to enrich the soil, and to grow fresh, nutritious produce. Permaculture, on the other hand, takes this concept a step further. It's a design system for creating sustainable and resilient living spaces. It's about observing and mimicking nature's patterns and systems, creating a harmonious balance between our homestead and the surrounding environment. Our permaculture garden is a symphony of diversity, with a wide variety of plants working together, supporting one another. We've got companion plants that help each other grow, attract beneficial insects, and deter pests. We've got fruit trees providing shade for understory plants, and nitrogen-fixing plants enriching the soil for their neighbors. The beauty of these methods is that they're not just good for us and our bellies, they're good for the planet. Organic gardening and permaculture help maintain healthy ecosystems, promote biodiversity, and nurture the soil, keeping it fertile for generations to come. So, you see, when we tend to our garden, we're not just growing food, we're cultivating life. We're fostering a deeper connection with the earth, with the cycles of nature. We're learning to live in harmony with our environment, to take only what we need, and to give back as much as we can. Through organic gardening and permaculture, we nurture nature, and in return, it nourishes us. For us, this is more than just a way of life. It's a pact with the planet, a commitment to sustainability, and a promise for a greener, healthier future. In a world where clean water is becoming a scarce commodity, we have found a sustainable solution. Rain, the tears of the sky, is nature's way of replenishing the Earth's water reserves. We've tapped into this natural cycle to meet our water needs in an environmentally friendly manner through rainwater harvesting. The process begins with the collection of rainwater from our homestead's rooftops. This water is then channeled through gutters into a storage tank ready for use. It's a simple yet ingenious method of sourcing water directly from nature, without relying on external water supplies. Rainwater harvesting is not just about self-sufficiency, it's a testament to the importance of water conservation. With each rainfall, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Water is the lifeblood of our homestead, nourishing our plants, quenching our thirst, and supporting our daily activities. Moreover, the quality of rainwater is often superior to that of traditional water sources. It's soft, free from many common pollutants, and ideal for irrigation, reducing the need for harmful chemical fertilizers in our gardens. Yet, the benefits of rainwater harvesting extend beyond our homestead. By reducing our reliance on municipal water supplies, we are easing the burden on our community's resources. We're contributing to a sustainable water future, one raindrop at a time. Additionally, rainwater harvesting encourages a deeper connection with nature. It makes us active participants in the water cycle, fostering a sense of responsibility towards this precious resource. It instills in us the importance of every drop and the role we play in conserving water for future generations. Water, in all its forms, is a source of life. It's a gift that we must treasure and protect. By harnessing the power of rain, we are not only meeting our water needs, but we're also playing our part in preserving this vital resource. Every drop of water is precious, and with rainwater harvesting, we ensure not a single drop is wasted. So let's raise a glass to the rain, for it is more than just water. It's the lifeblood of our serene and sustainable homestead. Waste isn't waste until we waste it. This powerful statement is at the heart of our composting practices on our homestead. Composting is an integral part of our sustainable lifestyle, and it symbolizes the circle of life in the most literal sense. Composting is a simple process that transforms organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. It's nature's way of recycling, turning the remnants of once living things into the fuel for new life. In our homestead, we compost a variety of organic materials such as vegetable peels, coffee grounds, yard trimmings, and even eggshells. Essentially, the compost pile is a bustling microcosm of life, where microorganisms, earthworms, and fungi work together to break down these materials. As they decompose, they produce a dark, fertile substance known as black gold, a testament to its value in the gardening world. But composting isn't merely about creating a rich soil amendment. It's about reducing waste and minimizing our impact on the environment. By composting, we divert a significant amount of organic waste from the landfill, where it would otherwise produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Composting also contributes to the health of our garden in more ways than one. It improves the soil structure, making it easier for plants to root. It enhances the soil's ability to retain water, reducing the need for frequent watering. And most importantly, it provides plants with essential nutrients, leading to stronger, healthier plants and a bountiful harvest. Imagine all these benefits just from what we would usually consider as waste. It's a beautiful cycle, isn't it? The scraps from our meals return to the earth, nourishing the soil, which in turn nourishes the plants that provide us with our next meals. And so the circle of life continues, in our humble compost pile, in our thriving garden, and in our sustainable homestead. Composting is a testament to the potential of what we often overlook or discard. It's a reminder that everything has a purpose and a place in this intricate web of life. Composting completes the circle of life, turning waste into wealth. Living off-grid isn't without its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. Like every lifestyle choice, going off-grid has its own set of hurdles. One of the primary challenges is the lack of immediate access to services that most of us take for granted. Imagine a life without the convenience of switching on a light at the flick of a button, or the luxury of an endless supply of water at the turn of a tap. It's a life that demands patience, planning, and a lot of hard work. Another challenge is the necessity for a certain level of technical knowledge. Understanding how to install and maintain renewable energy systems, such as solar panels or wind turbines, is crucial. It's also important to know how to manage water resources, compost, and grow your own food. It's not just about surviving, but thriving. But as we navigate these challenges, we find the rewards are plentiful and profound. The most evident reward is the sense of self-reliance. There's an indescribable satisfaction in knowing that you can provide for your own needs, from generating your own power to growing your own food. This lifestyle nurtures a deep connection with nature, as you learn to work with the land and the seasons rather than against them. Another significant reward is the reduced carbon footprint. By utilizing renewable energy sources and sustainable practices, we contribute less to pollution and climate change. It's about living consciously, making decisions that are not just good for us, but also for the environment. There's also the financial aspect. While the initial investment might be significant, the long-term savings can be substantial. No more monthly electricity or water bills, and a reduced reliance on store-bought food and products. Off-grid living is indeed a test of resilience and resourcefulness. It's a journey that challenges us, teaches us, and enriches us in ways we never imagined. But as we've discovered, the rewards make every challenge worth it. It's not just about living off-grid, it's about living fully, sustainably, and in harmony with nature. Beyond the practicalities, sustainable living brings a sense of serenity unmatched by any other lifestyle. It's a lifestyle that allows us to truly appreciate the quiet hush of the wind rustling through the trees, the symphony of birdsong at dawn, and the gentle hum of the bees busy at work. This serene connection to nature is a daily reminder of our place in the grand tapestry of life. Living off the grid, away from the hustle and bustle of city life, affords us the luxury of silence. A silence that is not empty, but full of the rich, vibrant life of the natural world around us. It's in these tranquil moments that we find ourselves truly present, drinking in the beauty of the world unfiltered and undisturbed. Our homestead provides us with a sanctuary, a place for reflection and rejuvenation. Here, we're not just surviving, we're thriving. Each sunrise brings with it a fresh start, a new chance to contribute to the world in a meaningful way. Each sunset, a moment of gratitude for the day that was, and anticipation for the promise of a new day. We've found that living sustainably isn't just about reducing carbon footprints or growing our own food. It's a mindset, a way of life that prioritizes harmony with nature over materialistic pursuits. It's about understanding that we are a part of the ecosystem, not apart from it. In this lifestyle, we've discovered a deeper connection to the rhythms of nature. We've learned to dance with the seasons, to respect the ebb and flow of life, and to find joy in the simple pleasures that each day brings. The serenity of sustainable living is a gift, a treasure that enriches our lives in countless ways. It's a reminder that we are not separate from the world around us, but intrinsically connected to it. It's a call to live mindfully, to tread lightly, and to honor the delicate balance that sustains all life. In the serenity of sustainable living, we find a deeper connection with the world around us. It's a connection that nourishes our spirits, fuels our creativity, and inspires us to continue our journey towards a greener, more sustainable future. We've only just scratched the surface of sustainable living. In this journey we've taken together, we've witnessed the power and potential of renewable energy, harnessing the sun's rays and the wind's power to fuel our off-grid homestead. We've nurtured nature with our own hands, cultivating lush gardens through organic gardening and permaculture techniques. We've marveled at the life-giving properties of water, harvesting rainwater and respecting its essential role in our survival. We've observed the circle of life in action through composting, transforming waste into nutrients that feed our gardens and enrich our soil. We've discussed the challenges and rewards of off-grid living, providing a realistic look at this lifestyle while sharing our solutions and insights. We've experienced the profound serenity that comes from living sustainably, embracing a lifestyle that's in tune with nature and dedicated to preserving our planet. But this is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore, learn, and experience in the world of sustainable living. There are countless other techniques and approaches to discover. There are continuous innovations and advancements in renewable energy and sustainable practices. And there's an ever-growing community of like-minded individuals dedicated to living in harmony with the environment. We invite you to be a part of this journey, to learn with us, to grow with us, to face challenges and celebrate victories with us, to embark on this path of sustainability and self-sufficiency. It's not always easy, but it's incredibly rewarding. It's a lifestyle that respects our planet, values our resources, and cherishes our connection with nature. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be joining a community of individuals who are passionate about sustainable living. You'll get to follow along as we continue to explore and share our experiences on this homestead. You'll also have the chance to contribute your own ideas and insights, helping us all to learn and grow together. So why wait? Start your journey towards sustainable living today. Learn how to live off-grid, how to cultivate your own food, how to harness renewable energy, and so much more. Discover how you can make a difference, not only in your own life but in the future of our planet. Subscribe now and join us on this journey towards a greener, more sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference.